In Sabio Host, we design digital tools that will help you enhance your customers' experiences. As a result, they will consume more, recommend you to others, and come again.
Let's start with the digital menu. You are watching this presentation in order to find out what we have to offer. Your customers look at your catalog or menu of services for the same reason. A menu that allows them to easily find what they are looking for, within the range of services you offer, means they will probably consume more in less time and be more satisfied.
The first step is to adapt your design so it can be easily consulted by cell phone. In Sabio Host, we include all the elements of your business design, brand manual and trademark, and incorporate them into an easy-to-use phone-friendly format.
This means that your menu automatically adapts itself to the variety of cell phone and tablet brands and models, and automatically organizes the content so as to require only vertical movements, just as in all the leading applications like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc.
Furthermore, the contents are organized into collapsible sections so that customers can find what they are looking for quickly without saturating the screen.
Every day there are more and more people with special dietary requirements, either for reasons of choice or due to allergies or some other health issue. Don't miss the opportunity to serve this important sector of the market. Even if your menu or the waiter are new, your customers will be able to find what they can eat using Sabio Host's filters and search bar that will make the menu show only the dishes that match the selected filter or typed in word.
The hospitality industry caters to people from all over the world. Sabio Host will help you serve them with multi-language menus which have been translated either by professionals or by Google's automatic translator.
As the saying goes, a picture says more than 1,000 words. With Sabio Host you can enhance your menu and the dishes you offer, not only with images but also with videos that can feature your most popular dishes, seasonal offerings, and special promotions.
Over 89% of all travelers take the opinions of others into account as a fundamental factor when planning a trip. TripAdvisor is the leading portal in this area, but there are also many other important ones, such as Yelp, social networks in general, and even WhatsApp groups. Recommendations from satisfied customers are without a doubt the best form of publicity. Help your customers share the extraordinary experiences you have provided for them with links to all of these networks that can be included in your Sabio Host menu.
Either as a result of a special group package, some ingredient that may temporarily be unavailable, price adjustments, or the complete overhaul of some or all of the menus and services offered, you will constantly be making changes. There is no point in having a modern, well-designed and easy-to-consult menu if the information is not completely up to date. With QR menus you can avoid costly reprintings, but Sabio Host goes even further than that by providing you with the tools you need to make instantaneous changes to your menu, without having to wait days and days for the systems department to make them. Our editing tool allows you to add, eliminate, or modify parts of your menu, or exclude some of them temporarily. This way you can design special seasonal menus or menus for special occasions that will only be visible when needed. This same flexibility will help you to temporarily exclude dishes that you want to reincorporate to the menu later on. You can also change the photos, the videos, and the links to social networks and directly and immediately edit these contents from your cell phone or using a desktop computer in the office.
Our system allows you to have complete control over the contents of your menus, but sometimes you may need totally new menus or have to make other types of adjustments or resolve other doubts or problems. At Sabio Host we work whenever you work and will answer your questions and help you solve your problems whenever they arise, any and every day of the year.
There is no need to have a user-friendly and up-to-date digital menu if people don't use it. There are growing numbers of people who are quite happy to take advantage of all the aspects we've mentioned, but sometimes there are problems involved in using these menus. At Sabio Host we will help you, first of all, to make it easier for more people to use the digital menu, since it can be scanned with the phone camera or with NFC, which opens the menu by simply putting the phone close to it. Secondly, for people who cannot or do not want to use these technologies, we have a printout option which allows you to have updated printed versions of your menu ready to provide on demand.
In order to see your digital menu, your customers need to be using a smartphone connected to internet. We all know firsthand that this is a powerful combination that allows us to read emails, send messages, and post and share on social networks. You can do your grocery shopping, attend meetings, book trips, watch your favorite series, or even buy a car. Such versatility has made smartphones our inseparable companions. We expect the same degree of simplicity and customization they offer to be reflected in all the services we use and many situations we confront in our daily lives. Given that your customers are already using these powerful tools to check out your menu, at Sabio Host we rely on this fact that to gather, process and provide information that will allow your personnel to provide optimal and personalized service.
We all like to be recognized and remembered, especially if it entails remembering who we are and what we like. Sabio Host will help you remember each customer's name, their room type preferences, food preferences, allergies, etc., as well as their chats, their requests, and their special occasions. We provide this information for each customer your staff is serving, so that waiters, clerks, and cleaning staff can treat each customer in a familiar and individualized fashion even though it may be the first time they have served them. We call this collective memory.
We have all seen or been in a situation where customers are calling the waiter without being noticed. It may even reach the point that when the waiter does arrive, the customer just asks for the check instead of the dish or drink they originally wanted, because it has taken so long to get his or her attention. Not to mention those annoying times when those who have just arrived get attended to before some who have already been waiting for a while. These situations can occur in the best establishments, and when they happen in your restaurant, you may lose sales or even customers. In order to avoid such problems, increase your sales, and improve your customers' satisfaction, Sabio Host has developed the following tools: time looking at the menu, calling the waiter, and direct ordering.
Here we show you a simple example with just 3 tables. A similar screen showing all the tables will be available to all of your waiters. They will be able to see it on a central computer screen visible to all, or they can consult it individually on their phones. Right now, I am scanning the QR menu for table 8, and as you can see, our screen shows how long they have been consulting the menu. Upon deciding to attend to a specific table, the waiter needs to touch the appropriate space on the screen. Thanks to the collective memory function, if the customer has registered, their name will appear along with their preferences, allergies, etc. Once customers have been served, but need additional attention, they can use this button to call the waiter again, and when they do, the screen will indicate that they called the attending waiter to come back, showing at what time and from which table.
Another option is for the customer to order directly from the menu, placing their order in a similar fashion to the way shopping carts are filled in online shopping, and the table placing the order can be determined with the same QR used to determine the waiting time at the table. This can work the same way for any location in the hotel lobby, at the pool, from beach umbrellas, or even from the guests' rooms. For restaurants, it is also possible to receive requests for home delivery and provide the address or GPS location. Just as with all other remote functions, with the collective memory we provide all the information about the customer, their allergies, food preferences, and special occasions, to the person taking and registering the order so that you can provide personalized service.
Let's face it, no one is perfect, but the key to bringing your business as close to perfection as possible is to discover the shortcomings and working to improve those aspects. In order to improve the management of each restaurant or consumption site, with Sabio Host you can directly receive customers' opinions, complaints, and recommendations, and this will provide you with valuable information for constant and ongoing improvement.
If you check your cell phone, you will see that you have many more messages than calls. Your customers surely show the same tendency. With our system, they can easily and quickly resolve all kinds of issues with the concierge, the reception desk, and the eating venues via messages. This will enhance their experience and provide a record of their requests, which is very useful in settling conflicts, and it will also make for better control during shift changes.
All customers deserve first-rate attention, but sometimes it is necessary to differentiate the prices, products, and services offered according to the way they were contracted, or the customer's level in your loyalty program, the frequency of their visits, the amount paid, or some other factors. Sabio Host allows you to automatically incorporate these differentiations. Different customers using the very same QR will have access to the appropriate version of the menu, and simultaneously your staff will be informed of each customer's distinctions so that they can be properly served and billed.
Just as in the case of food, more and more people have specific requirements for their rooms. Room preparation and cleaning is an important component of your customer's satisfaction. Our system will help you improve the personalization of this service. By scanning the same QR that customers use to request room service for meals, the cleaning staff can see who the customers are and find out if they have requested extra blankets, pillows, towels, or shampoo, as well as any other specific note they may have left at the reception desk. Information about special dates is also available so that some detail or congratulation can be provided for birthdays or anniversaries. The contents of the minibar can also be personalized with energy bars for athletes, sweets without sugar for diabetics, or any other variation that will help you provide first-rate and personalized service.
First and final impressions can greatly influence our perception of any particular experience. Bellhops are frequently part of these key moments. Sabio Host allows customers and reception personnel to get assistance from Bellhops in seconds, indicating where they are needed and which customer requires their help.
At Sabio Host, we design technology to serve. Prove it yourself easily in just minutes by entering the site sabio.host/demo from your computer and using your cell phone to scan the QRs it shows. That way you can see firsthand the most important functions our system provides. You can contact us and contract our services at the website sabio.host or with the email contact@sabio.host.
Sabio Host, outstanding hospitality.